Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm going to get straight into the video by starting off with my eyebrows. I'm going in with my Pomade Dip Brow by Kiss in the color dark brown. And I'm just going in, filling in my eyebrows and shaping them to my liking. Okay, so after I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with my L.A Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm going to apply this on my lower brow. And I'm going to blend that into my eyelid using my beauty blender. Alright y'all, so after you're done blending that into your eyelid, I'm going to then highlight the top part of my brow. Now this color, I use a different color on my brow. I'm using chestnut, which is a color closer to my skin tone, and I use this to highlight the upper brow area. I don't really like highlighting with the lighter color because I just don't like the way they look. It don't look natural to me. So I use a darker color or a color closer to my skin, and I highlight the top part of my eyebrow with that. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm going back to my eyelid and I'm going to apply that same concealer and Fawn to my eyelids, and I'm going to blend it out. Then I'm going to go in and set that concealer with some banana powder, and I'm going to press that into my eyelids, making a nice smooth surface for my eyeshadow. I'm sorry y'all, if y'all hear noise in the background, that's my son doing his thing. Entrepreneur mom. You're gonna get into. Anywho, I'm going in with my Juvias palette. I don't know the name of it. I will put it in the description bar below. But look at these colors. They're so vibrant and pretty. Oh my god. I'm so excited to use these. I'm going in with this peachy color here, and y'all look at that. Exactly. Look at that color showing up so well. I'm excited, y'all. This is bomb. Alright y'all, I'm going to go in with this red. I know sis. I'm going in with this red, and I'm going to put that in my crease area, and I'm going to blend these two colors out together, making sure it's a smooth transition between the two. Taking a black from a different palette called Smashbox, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of my eyes, bringing it into my crease area slightly, and I'm just going to continue to pack on that color and blend out until it gets to my liking. Alright, so after you're done with applying color, here you'll just see me going in, maybe packing on color or blending these colors in. I'm just going in and making sure everything is nice and blended. You don't see any lines of demarcation. Everything looks nice and smooth. So I had did my cut crease and didn't know my phone died on me, y'all, so I didn't have that clip. But all I did was cut my crease with some concealer, and I went in with some eyeshadow, and I'm just applying eyeshadow everywhere I see my crease. And I'm just making sure I blend everything all in together. I'm just gonna go in now with my black eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that to my lash line. After that, I'm going in with a light shimmery blue eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. I wanted to give this look a little pop, and that blue did the job. Alright, so next I'm going to take some wipes, so makeup remover wipes. I'm going to wipe off this makeup that may have fell from my eyeshadow. Taking my Tarte face primer, and I'm just going to apply this everywhere where I'm going to be highlighting my face. Also going in with some L'Oreal Cool Tone foundation, and I'm going to apply this all over my face, obviously. Now, using those same concealers I used for my eyebrows, I am going to apply this to my highlighted area on my face. And those colors again are chestnut and fawn. And I'm going to blend these two colors in, and it'll look flawless. Little secret, y'all, I didn't rock with beauty blenders at first. But I didn't know because I was putting too much water in there, so my makeup didn't come out right. But after I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, I like them now. I live for these things. Alright, so after I have beat my face to the gods, I am going to apply that same banana powder from earlier to my highlighted areas, and I'm just going to dab that powder in and let that powder set. Okay, so now it's time to contour. I don't have a contour kit, palette, whatever. I'm using L'Oreal's foundation powder. I use this as a contour. I can't find anything that won't look ashy on my skin. So if you have any references, please let me know. So I'm going to apply this to my cheeks, my chin, my temples and forehead. And I'm going to snatch this nose, sis. Alright, so now going back to the eyes, I'm going in and I'm prepping my eyelashes for my fake eyelashes with some Glow mascara. And then I am going to go in with that same black eyeliner, and I'm just going to make another layer on my lash line just to darken it up a little bit. Followed by some lashes I got off of Amazon for like $5. They're wispy longs, and I'm going to apply this off camera, come back, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button for weekly videos. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.